And a great shot off the whistle straight away. Robinson takes her down, and another two as well. Lightning quick, locks those legs up, goes to the right. Just like that, puts two on the board and puts her opponent into a dangerous position now. Another two on the board. Nurtaeva in a dangerous spot. And at the flick of a switch, or should I say a shot on the legs, it's Robinson who going for a shot herself, but it's Robinson up with the underhook. Again, good shot there from Nurtaeva. 4 points for the Kyrgyz rest. Looking ever so comfortable now. Rocky starting that first round. Maybe she was just trying to figure out her opponent, but it's a great shot from Nurtaeva. 4-2 awarded again. And the challenge once again from Kyrgyzstan. There's another shot from Nurtaeva and takes you over into danger. Another 4 points. Brings it up to 11-10 now, and the half Nelson drives in from Nurtaeva, and she's showing why she's senior World Championship medal caliber and not just under 23. The woman from Kyrgyzstan